Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert any PDF file into image file for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as LibreOffice, and on the first list it will say its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website, and below here you can see a download now. Just click on it. Now you can see your different download options. So if you're using a Windows, then you can directly select the Windows. So if you're not using a Windows, then you can select a different operating systems. Like if you're using a Linux, then you can download a Linux, and if you're using a Apple Mac OS computer, then you can download for Mac computers. So firstly you download it, and after that you install it. Then after that, just open or run the software, that is the LibreOffice. So on opening you will see this kind of user interface. Right now you can see here on the left side of my desktop screen I have one PDF file. So let me show its properties. So you can see it's a PDF file, right? So what I will do, I'll just drag it here, wait for a few seconds. It's trying to open. So it's opening the PDF file, right? So we want to convert it into a JPG file, right? So you can see here on the left top corner, file. Just click on it. So now you can see your export, right? Just click on export. Now select your location where you want to export this file, and below here you can see file name and save as type. So under the save as type, just click on it. You will see different options, that is the file format options like JPG, PDF, again like GIF. So I want to save it as JPG. You can save it as GIF. These are all image files. That is a BMP is also image file, GIF is also image file, PNG is also image file. So I'll just select a JPEG. You can select a PNG or BMP or GIF, whatever you like. So in my case I'm selecting this JPEG, and now you can see here save, right? Click on it. So it will give you some options. If you want to resize, you can resize, or if you want to keep it as default, then you can just keep it as it is. And below you can see here quality. If it is showing a 90%, then set it to 100%. That is the original quality, and after that just click on OK. Now you can see we have created or converted the PDF file into JPG file. So let me show its properties now. So you can see it's a JPG file. So let me open it. So it's a picture file. So you can see here it's a picture file. So the earlier one is a PDF file, and now we have converted it to the image file. So this is how you can easily convert any PDF file into image file for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.